As the November 3 bypolls near, the political atmosphere is heating up in Madhya Pradesh. As many as 28 seats are going for the bypolls. These bypolls were necessitated due to 22 MLAs of the Congress party resigning and switching over to the BJP along with Jyotiraditya Scindia. The Kamal Nath government in the state collapsed and the BJP formed government under the chief ministership of Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The party leaders who led the fall of the Congress government in the state are now fielded by the BJP on their party ticket. Thus, the race has intensified. A recent row was kicked by the comment of former Chief Minister of the state and the MPCC President Kamal Nath. A video of former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath using the word item seemingly for a former woman colleague who switched over to the BJP has created a furore amid campaigning for the next month's assembly by-elections. Addressing a campaign meeting in Dabra, where the Congress is up against Imarti Devi of the BJP, Kamal Nath said that his party candidate was a simple person unlike his opponent who is an item. In the video, he is heard saying, "Why should I take the name of the opposing candidate? You all know that person better than me. What an item." He said this amid cheers from the crowd which kept shouting Imarti Devi as the remarks were being made. His comments created a furore with demands for apology now growing. Hitting back, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan took to Twitter to say that Imarti Devi is the daughter of a poor farmer who rose to become a public servant after starting off as a village labourer. By referring to a woman as an item, the Congress and its leadership have revealed its feudal mindset. That is what Shivraj Singh Chauhan tweeted. The Chief Minister also sat on a silent protest from 10 am to 12 pm on Monday. Imarti Devi also took on Kamal Nath for the comment. She said, "What is my fault if I was born in a poor family? What is my fault if I belong to Dalits? I want to appeal to Sonia Gandhi, who is also a mother, to not keep such people in her party. If such words will be used for women, then how can any woman move forward?" A BJP delegation met election commission officials in Bhopal and also complained against Kamal Nath for insulting women and Dalits. Meanwhile, MP Chief Minister has also written a letter to Sonia Gandhi asking her to take a strict action against Kamal Nath. In the letter, Chauhan mentioned that he thought Sonia Gandhi would not only condemn her party leader's statement over a Dalit woman but also take strict action against him. "But you have not done anything like this so far," Chauhan wrote in the letter. A senior BJP leader also said that despite the fact that Kamal Nath's remarks are being slammed by the media across the country, the Congress leader is defending his indecent and condemnable remark. Taking note of Imarti Devi's tearful response to Kamal Nath's statement, Chauhan added that disrespecting a Dalit woman like this tarnishes your politics. Remove Kamal Nath immediately from all the party posts and condemn his statement strongly. And if you fail to react, I will be compelled to believe that you support it. This is what the letter said. Former Congress leader and now a BJP MP Jyotiraditya Scindia also has questioned the culture of the Congress party over Kamal Nath's remark. Now what happens to Kamal Nath remains to be seen.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.